everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to solve one of your problems. If you have one of these, my license plate light, where is it? These two lights, I replaced the bulbs. They turn on for a brief second, they shut off. And I have a simple solution. I'm not gonna take a whole lot of time explaining it because I know people have a short attention span. So you get these pinched sometimes when you close the door and they kind of stick out and you'll pinch them, or when you're pinching them it'll actually pull the wires out. So I believe this is what happened because I cut this open and the wires were perfectly fine, there wasn't any damage, and then I decided to take this off and I instantly noticed a break in the wire. So it's a simple solution. Just solder the wire, tape it with electrical tape, pop it back in, and you're good to go. Hopefully it helped you guys out. My next video is going to be on the key fob not unlocking or locking the van. You have to do it manually. So subscribe and hit the bell button and watch my next video. So this might be the issue to the doors locking and unlocking problem. This is the back swinging door, and I checked the other side and it was doing the same exact thing, except for the license plate light. One of the wires was broken, but on this one I decided just to check for the heck of it, see how it's doing. And on this one all of them are cut except for one that's barely, well, one's barely holding on and one's perfectly fine. So if you have issues with lights or anything, this is the first place I would check, because the door swings so much in and out that this could be a common thing that happens in these Ram 2500 ProMaster vans.